All right, so here's the robot finished up. We're gonna talk a bit about the sensors and actuators it has. So going to the front of the robot right here, these are gonna be the ultrasonic sensors. So these will be able to tell whether an object is, in close distance, and whether it helps with the auto follow mode as well. It'll, for example, if I put my hand forward, it'll keep following it since it sees that there's an object in front. But when I take it out, the car will stop. We'll show that in a minute. And then another thing that I also want to talk about is the camera as well. So the camera is able to identify objects, and this works whether if you're doing like the remote control from your phone, you can see where you're going and see where you need to turn if there's an obstacle in front of you as well. And then it also has some of the gears as well to make it turn at the bottom right here. This is part of the ultrasonic sensor module. So these gears allow it to turn whether left or right. These allow it to look around, and then these will help with the auto follow mode as well to see where it's going. And another sensor we need to talk about is the sensor at the bottom, which is right here. It's the line tracking sensor. So this will basically sense, or tell whether the line that it'll be following is there, which using the PVC pipe right here, and it'll follow the line according to it, essentially. And yeah, and some other, so the motors as well. We have 4 motors as well that connect to the tires. They are connected here. They're connected here, and then these help with the overall movement of the car. And then this the thing in the back right here is the battery. So this one needs to be charged and for the actual robot to move. And overall, this is where the Arduino is here. This is where we'll be able to program later what we wanted to do with it. And the battery is connected right here, so we can power it. Right here also has the camera flick right here, the switch. This allows us to actually, I believe, look into the camera using our phone. And then it also has the button right here. This will turn it into a mode, I believe, which is the line tracking mode as well. So if we go ahead and turn it on right here, all right, it shows like a whitish LED light right here. But if we set it down, go ahead and click this button right here, it'll start moving around. It doesn't sense a line yet, so it's just doing turns and such. But if we click it again, oh yeah, it's gonna go ahead and go into auto tracking mode. Yeah, another thing I wanted to point out is the GY521 module here. It basically, that's the accelerator, so it allows you to determine how fast and how slow the actual robot will move. And it measures motion, orientation, and angular velocity. And yeah, that's overall everything for the robot kit right here. And then in the next clip, we're gonna show some of the features it has. So auto tracking mode, more in depth. All right, so here's the remote that was given to us with the car kit. So a quick explanation of what the buttons do right here. So obviously we have the left, right, forward, backward button right here. The number one is going to be the line tracking mode. So we put like the PVC tape that was given to us with the car kit, set it down, we click 1. It's going to use the sensor at the bottom of the car kit to basically follow along with the tape. Number 2 is the obstacle avoidance mode. So it's also going to use the ultrasonic sensor to determine whether something's in front of it, and determine whether it needs to turn around and go the opposite way and things like that. Number 3 is going to be auto follow mode. So it's also going to use the ultrasonic sensor and follow. If you putting something in front of it, I'm going to put my hand in front of it later in a bit, and it'll follow straight forward. But when I remove it, it's going to go, it doesn't see it anymore with the ultrasonic sensor, so it's going to automatically stop. So clicking the 1 button, it's going to start. The camera at the bottom doesn't see a line yet. The sensor doesn't see a line yet, so it's just going to go in circles. So these are right here. Number 2, obstacle avoidance mode. It's going to go ahead and use the ultrasonic sensor. See sees an object going in its path, turning around, go the opposite way. And number 3, it's obstacle avoidance mode. So we're gonna go ahead and put our hand in front. It's gonna follow it. Let me go ahead and move it a bit. There you go. All right, so putting in front of it, moving our hand, it's gonna stop. In front of it, hand, it's gonna stop. So yeah, these are pretty much how the sensors work, using the motors as well. And this is the demonstration.